Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence is reshaping the field of psychology? As we move forward in this digital era, the intersection of AI and psychology is becoming increasingly prominent. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines capable of performing tasks that would typically require human intellect. Now think about combining this with psychology, the scientific study of the mind and behavior. It's a fascinating blend, isn't it? And this is where the magic happens. AI has the potential to revolutionize psychological assessments and therapies. We're talking about algorithms helping diagnose mental health conditions, AI-driven chatbots providing therapy, and data analytics predicting mental health trends. This intertwining of artificial intelligence and psychology is not just about technology outsmarting human ability, it's about technology complementing human effort to understand and enhance our mental well-being. But how exactly is AI used in psychological assessments? Let's delve into a case study to understand this. Consider the case of an AI program called Ellie, developed by the Institute for Creative Technologies at the University of Southern California. Ellie is more than just a program, she's a trailblazer, illuminating a path for AI in the realm of psychological assessments. Now, you may wonder, how does Ellie do this? Well, she's equipped with advanced facial recognition and machine learning algorithms. These allow her to assess patients' psychological states in ways that were once unimaginable. She doesn't just listen to what patients say, she pays attention to how they say it. She analyzes verbal and nonverbal cues, picking up on the subtlest of changes in tone, facial expression, and body language. Imagine a patient sitting before Ellie, sharing their thoughts and feelings. As they speak, Ellie is hard at work, detecting signs of stress, anxiety, or depression. She's not just hearing words, she's interpreting emotions, piecing together a comprehensive understanding of the patient's mental state. This information is invaluable to psychologists. It provides them with insights they might otherwise miss, helping them to better understand their patients and design more effective treatment plans. Ellie's ability to detect signs of mental distress is not only impressive, it's transformative. This is just one example of how AI is transforming psychological assessments. But the applications of AI don't stop there. Beyond assessments, AI is also making strides in providing therapeutic assistance. AI-based chatbots, for instance, are stepping up to provide immediate mental health support, offering a lifeline for those in need. Meanwhile, in the realm of exposure therapy, virtual reality AI programs are making waves. These innovative tools are aiding in the treatment of phobias and PTSD, providing immersive and controlled environments for gradual exposure. As we can see, the integration of AI and psychology offers promising possibilities for future mental health care.